"Your underwear is much too tight and very revealing," I said to my wife. She said, "Wear your own then." Why can't blind people eat fish? It's seafood. You ever heard the Stormtrooper band? Probably not, they've never had a hit. I asked a librarian if they had any books on different noise levels. The librarian said, "Sure. What volume would you like?" Why did the pilot get sent to his room? Bad altitude. What do you call an iron-deficient female? A male. How do pirates sell their unwanted booty? Yard sale. As the doctor completed an examination of the patient, he said, "I can't find a cause for your complaint. Frankly, I think it's due to drinking." "In that case," said the patient, "I'll come back when you're sober." What's a schizophrenic's favorite Christmas song? Do you hear what I hear? At his wedding, my buddy called me the worst best man he has ever seen. I was speechless. When I moved into my new igloo, my friends threw me a surprise housewarming party. Now I'm homeless. How can there be a national coin shortage? Makes no sense. What's the difference between a white penguin and a black penguin? A white penguin is coming towards you, while a black penguin is walking away from you. What did the drummer name his twin daughters? Anna 1, Anna 2. Why is a beautiful woman like a hinge? Because she is something to adore. If you liked this content, please consider giving this video a like, and if you loved it, then please consider subscribing to my channel.